Hey guys, and welcome to today's video where I want to talk about the new Facebook update that Facebook made to their algorithm. Now you probably heard about it lately that Facebook changed the way the algorithm works so that now people will see more of their organic posts rather than a lot of ads. So previously, like every 3, 4, 5 posts, you will see one ad, and Facebook really wants to make this change so that people see more posts of their friends and the brands they follow, etc. And of course, this means that advertisers now have less space to essentially show their ads on. So I'm none of these people who think that now your Facebook ads game will change entirely, that you would spend like 2 times, 3 times more compared to previously. But still, there will definitely be some challenges, and definitely CPMs and CPCs will be rising in the near future. So what are the things that you need to keep in mind now that the algorithm changes and it favors organic posts a little more than previously? Well, first of all, the major difference is that more advertisers will fight for a smaller amount of ad spots. So what does this mean for you? Well, you have to put an even closer eye on your ads and the quality. So you have to put even more efforts in audience research, even more efforts in creating ads, and even more efforts in split testing so that you can quickly eliminate your losers and continue with your winners. So this means that previously maybe you just created like one ad and hoped for the best, and even though this was a quite bad approach even a few months ago already, now this kind of approach will become even worse. So you definitely have to put in the time to research an audience, build an ad, test different ads, and then quickly scale with what works instead of essentially wasting time and money just running with one simple single ad. Now another very important point here is that it will become harder and harder to get profitable on the front end with your product. So let's say you sell one $30 item and your acquisition cost with Facebook will be like $20 already. Now you take this minus your product costs, Shopify costs, and whatever other costs you have, and suddenly it becomes quite difficult to become profitable on the front end already. So even though by no means this isn't impossible or something like that, I still see a ton of people, including ourselves, making a positive return on the front end already. But in the future, you have to put more and more effort on customer lifetime value and selling things over and over again, upselling, etc. Because if you always just look at the very first sale, like, hey, I need to spend this amount of money to make this sale, and then I forgot about the customer, this will become harder and harder. And of course, the Facebook advertising costs won't stop here. So they will just continue to grow. And those advertisers who will really be able to make the most out of their traffic and out of their users and everything, those will be the advertisers with the highest potential of achieving a very, very high ROI. Now, like I said in the beginning, in my opinion, you shouldn't worry too much about this new update, as many people said, oh no, this will be so bad and we will lose, like Facebook will become dead and everything. I don't see it that dramatic, but you definitely, like I said, you need to put in the efforts, focus on improving your ads, focus on increasing customer lifetime value, and then you will definitely also see good returns in 2018 and with the new update. If in general you also want to test other things besides purely using Facebook ads only, I can recommend that you have a little look in the description, where I will show you a free guide of over 35 pages on how to use Google AdWords as an e-commerce business, as a dropshipper, so that you can successfully sell products by capturing the buying intent of people when they are looking on Google. So this report previously was actually not free. So there was a ton of value in it, but I decided that I want to give it away for you guys for free. So make sure that you check the description for this report. It also you can also get a case study in there, and I think this will help you a lot, whether you want to continue to use Facebook ads or whether you're using an alternative. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this little video here. And if you want to see more about e-commerce marketing, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. So thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.